Hi everyone, I'm Toby. I'm here at DOS, and we have Karen here. She's the CEO, and today we will be telling you about the trading competition that we have going on. Let me show you some rules and regulations first. So we've got the number one best trading competition. It's called. It starts today, was the first starting today, and it goes all the way through the month of June. So we have the dates here.
No, sorry, we started yesterday. The first trading was yesterday. But today is our first day of review.
Sorry. Yeah, that's right.
Mistake on that.
So it starts June 3rd, 8 a.m., as you can see. It ends on June 28th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It does follow the New York Stock Exchange calendar, so you should check that for any holidays or early closing days. Moving on, we've got a few different regulations here. Simulations account were reset yesterday with $100,000 in virtual buying power, and inactive accounts will be closed and terminated from the competition after 14 days of being inactive. If you have any questions, you can contact the links that you see at the bottom of your screen, info@onebesttrader.com or help.dostrader.com. Daily trades and profit and losses broadcast will be at onebesttrader.com, and I will show you this page and you can see how to navigate it. So this is what the page looks like. This is the main screen. You've got some pictures of the Nasdaq Tower here, which will be the first, second, and third place winnings for the top three traders. If you click on rankings here, you will be able to see the top ranked players in the competition. So you can see right now the top ranked player as of June 4th is best 25 here. He has over $2,000 in total gains. And you can see all the other players. You can scroll down on this list and you can see the top traded symbols on the left over here. You can see today AMD was the top traded symbol, and you can see the current prices of the symbols there. Then you can also see all of the live trades from all of the competitors. These come in live, so the market is closed right now, but normally this would be moving pretty rapidly with everyone's different trades of all different types. Then down at the bottom here, you can see the top three live traders in the DOS broker network, and those people are not in the competition, but they are using DOS to trade, and you can see their current earnings. Now moving on, we can see that it says here the updated listings of the standings are posted daily by 9 a.m., so that's when they are updated. Now for some more rules, you may trade equities, ETFs, and options, but you may not trade pink sheets, futures, bonds, ADFs, or Forex. A commission rate of $3.95 is applied to all transactions. This includes opening and closing trades. You may not hold long and short positions in the same stock at the same time. You may not trade low float securities, and you may not trade unchartable stocks.
And just for clarification as to what securities we're considering low float, is any that has about $1 million in the float is what we're considering as the criteria for low floats.
Now, to be eligible to win, you must be over the age of 18, you must have a valid email address and photo ID, and you must have the necessary approval to travel freely in the U.S. This is either having a valid visa or being a U.S. citizen already. Now, the fun part, we've got the rewards for the top three highest profit and loss traders. The first place trader gets a red carpet access ticket for a day at the Nasdaq Tower. This is in the heart of Times Square, and while you're there, you get a keepsake photo on Nasdaq's Times Square Tower. You also get 6 months free subscription to DOS Trader Pro. This includes Nasdaq Total View 2, Total View, Net Imbalance feeds, and Net Imbalance feeds. This is for the first place winner. The second and third place winners, if you see here, get 3 and 1 month subscriptions to DOS Trader Pro respectively. Now going back, all three people will get this ticket to the Nasdaq Tower, all three people will get the keepsake photo, and all three people will get these great prizes. You get DOSTrader.com's Samsonite travel backpack filled with essential travel accessories. This includes a USB monitor, power pack charger, wireless keyboard and mouse, and personal care items, and much more. These are especially useful for those who want to trade on the go. If you need to leave your desktop or laptop and you still need to trade, you can go to your hotel, set up your monitor, have your power pack with you, and keep on trading. Now, moving on, I'd like to show you some of the helpful resources that we have. So one of the most helpful resources that will be available to you are the automation emails going out to you. These automation emails will go out every day of the competition, and they include a lot of helpful links to help you read up on trading strategies and the proper trading mindset. Now, one of the most helpful things that you have access to is the video playlist on our YouTube page. So if you go to the Best Trader website and you click on videos right here, that will direct you right to our YouTube playlist page, and this has many helpful videos from the kickoff video to a lot of different trading strategies and how to use DOS Trader videos. Another very helpful resource to you are resources available to you in the automation emails, one of which is learningdaytrading.com. Right, that's the link, Learning Day Trading. Learning Day Trading gives you some helpful videos and a resource portal to help you basically accelerate your learning curve in your trading. So I know a lot of the people trading right now have experience trading, but if you don't, or if you're less experienced, you can use resources like these to give you a refresher on trading, or really if you fall into a rut and you seem stuck, you can watch some of these videos, go to these coaching or mentoring sites and use some of the resources they have available to you, and that will hopefully get you out of your rut, and you'll be able to regain your profits again. Is there anything you'd like to add so far?
No, that's fine. Let's move on to...
Okay. So now we can do a little recap of yesterday's trade. So as mentioned, yesterday was the first day that people were trading, and I have gotten some of the statistics for yesterday's trades right here. Now we can see the top trader for yesterday was Best 25. At the end of the day yesterday, he had $2,800 in profit. It's very respectable.
Yeah.
And the last person didn't do so well. Maybe he got a little overconfident there, got too excited that the competition was starting, and he had around $10,000 in losses. So maybe calm things down a bit and regain your composure to bring that back up. You know, with $10,000 in losses, you still have around $15,000 left in your equity account. So you've got more than enough money to bring that back and bring yourself back up to a top 3 ranking. And here, these will not be working until next week because there is only one day. This normally will show you your average profit and loss over the entire course of the month. But since only one day of trading is in here, they don't work properly. Same with average profit and loss per day. This is also something that needs multiple days to function, and this is the data only on one day. We can see a graph of the top 10 traders here. The top 10, Best 25 is first, Best 48 second, Best 15 third, and so on. And this was as of yesterday's close of trade day, so today it may very well be different. Yesterday, the top 10 traded stocks we have here, you can see AMD was by far the most traded stocks with over 466,000 in trade volume. And we can see the average profit and loss per hour. Remember, this is not volume weighted, so if only 1 or 2 trades were happening at 7 a.m. and they had high profits, it will show a very high profit and loss, even though it was maybe only 1 or 2 trades. But without considering volume, we can see that 7 a.m. had the highest profits, and then 11 a.m. had the lowest profits. And we can see most of the day it was hovering right around 0, bouncing above and below 0 a bit. And then once next week's live stream comes along, which will be next Tuesday, here we will be able to show multiple days' results, and we'll be able to select the results that you would want to see. Anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, so, and just so you know, we're going to be doing this weekly recap every Tuesday at 2:45. So make sure you tune in on that. We're going to be streaming it on YouTube, and we will have a Nasdaq representative, someone that most of you already know who she is. She is the host of Trade Talks. It's Jill, and she's fantastic. She used to be a hedge fund trader in the market before she actually migrated to be a commentary on the Trade Talks. So she will be joining us live on these commentary to go over your trades and to just kind of like, give commentary as to what's going on in the market as you guys are trading. So, if you can take a few minutes out of your trading, put in some stop losses or use whatever, tools that we give you available in the software to just tune in as we are doing our recaps every Tuesday at 2:45 Eastern.
Eastern Standard Time. That's right. That will be exciting. So is that it here?
Yeah, I think that's it. Again, we had a wonderful start yesterday. We had some really excited stats of just watching people as they were trading live on the platform. Again, there was a couple people who got really, really excited, and they just kind of, put a whole bunch of trades out, and but it's still wonderful. You still have time to win. Don't think that just because you had a really bad day that you don't have the advantage as other people, but go ahead, stick to some discipline, and use whatever you can. If you need help, again, you can always reach out to one of our mentors that are listed on the Learning Day Trading website, and just to get tips as to what strategy you are using or what you should be using to try and win this competition.
That's right.
Yeah.
Well, good luck to all of you. Be sure to catch us here. Subscribe to us Tuesday, 2:45. That's right.
Yeah, 2:45. One more thing I forgot to mention. We decided to kind of keep the registration open only for today. One more day up until midnight. So if there's someone that wants to join kind of late in the game, not really that late. There's only 2 days of trading that you've missed. You're more than welcome to register tonight and get in. We're going to be closing it at midnight. We're not going to reopen it. So today is very much the last possible day that you can join this competition.
That's right. So if you haven't joined, make sure you have till midnight tonight. All right. Well, good luck to all of you. Happy trading, and I'll talk to you next week, next Tuesday, 2:45. See you then.
Okay.